It's at the time it is. It is 12:31 p.m. this afternoon. We got the LCSX m316-25. I meant 25. Eastbound mixed freight train. And let's see what to get my cell phone ready. We'll see what's going on here. See what we can do. Yep, it is 25. I think I got it right. Now we're waiting for the locomotive to come pass me by soon. So m316-25, st70ah, eastbound on the main line track to medium clear. J tower out. m316-25, st7047, eastbound on the main line track to empty tower clear signal. Empty tower out. Here it comes. He's on its way. Wait for it. Wait till it past the empty turret to clear out. Right behind those trees area. Excuse me. Right behind those trees area. So let's check it out. Here we go. Here it comes. This gonna be takes forever. $478. Whoa, $478. That's incredible, man. Here goes the ES40DC in the logo website unit. In the st70ah, we built the locomotive paint scheme right there. Nice. How cool is that? That's the impressive locomotives I have ever seen. Diamond. The dispatcher for CSX headquarters in Florida is coming from Delaware County. Answer coming towards us. Let's see what happens next. Over. st70ah. Train ID m316-26, engine CSX-475. Play execution on release by authority on all tracks from the BNA 56.0 to the EAS J Tower. Over.
Appreciate it. 77277 m316-23 475 Schiller remote lead from BNA 56.0 J Tower. Is that right, engineer? Thank you. 77277 release 1236 JLM over.
EQ on number 77277, release at 1236, dispatcher JLM, over.
Alright, thank you very much. Dispatch.
Over there now. Okay, let's get back to the train action. There's a gondola, a tank car with some ethanol oil train, molten sulfur, ethanol, and crude oil that deliver from the gas station products, for the gas products. A flat car and a phosphate hopper car. The plastic pads. Is it over? Not yet. Oh, that's about it. 700 train is CSX m316-25, eastbound mixed freight train. The train originates from the Queensgate Yard from Cincinnati, Ohio, heads east to the Cumberland, Maryland, where it terminates at the Cumberland Yard, and often works from the Russell, Kentucky, Grafton, and Kaiser, West Virginia railroad route on that point. So, this is Josh Rain, your local way-up and hotspot in central West Virginia, and we are out. Here comes the next video. Roll 'em!